In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move projects from Basecamp to Asana. We're going to focus on getting your data out of Basecamp in a clean, organized way so you can then bring it into Asana or connect it with a migration tool. The idea is simple. First, export everything you need from Basecamp, then use that export as the source for your Asana setup, whether you import CSV files, use an integration tool, or reorganize things manually. Start by logging into your Basecamp account and heading to your main home screen. This is the central dashboard where you normally see all of your projects and teams. Make sure you're using an account that has permission to access the admin settings. Usually that's an owner or an administrator. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to ask your account owner to run the export for you. From the home screen, look for the Admin LAN section. This is where all of the account-level tools and settings live. Go ahead and click into Admin Land. Think of this area as the control center for your entire Basecamp account, not just a single project. It's where you handle billing, users, and importantly for us, account exports. Once you're in Admin Land, find the option labeled Export Data from this account. Click that. This is the feature that lets you generate a full backup of your Basecamp content. It typically includes projects, messages, to-dos, files, and other key information that you might want to move over or archive. On the export page, you'll see a button or link that allows you to start a new export. Click on that highlighted option to create a new export. Some accounts may give you choices about what to include. If you can, keep the default of exporting everything so you don't miss important project details that you might later want in Asana. Confirm your selection by clicking the next highlighted button to actually request the export. Basecamp will then start preparing a compressed file of your data. Depending on how many projects and files you have, this can take a little while. It's a good idea to leave this tab open or keep an eye on your email in case Basecamp sends you a notification when the export is ready. When the export has finished processing, you'll see a link that says Download my export. Click that to save the file to your computer. This download is what you'll use as the starting point for your migration into Asana. From here, you can extract the archive, convert any HTML reports to CSV if needed, and then import or sync that data into Asana using Asana's import tools or a dedicated migration service.